Hey, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda242. I am Remelda, and today I'm preparing mustard fried chicken. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Okay, I have a pack of chicken wings already cut up, and now I'm just adding a little bit of white vinegar to them. I'm just gonna rub it in and then rinse it off before adding the seasonings, just like that. The flat part is my favorite part, by the way. I love that part. Oh yes. So I'm just gonna get them rinsed up. Okay, they've all been rinsed. Now I'm just adding one Maggi chicken bouillon all over the chicken. Crush it and just sprinkle it all over it. Okay, now the complete seasoning. Whatever type of seasoning you have, you can use it. This doesn't have any MSG. I don't like the seasoning with that, so I don't use it. Next is some paprika. Just getting my spices on. I'm just gonna kick it up a bit. Jazz it up with some red pepper flakes. You know you can always use black pepper instead. Mrs. Dash, she also has lemon and she is also salt free. So just let her add a little something to it. That's Mrs. Dash. She's married. All right. Some lime juice. That should do it. You wouldn't need more than that. A little pinch of sugar because I'm adding mustard. The mustard is really going to set it off. All right. Now you're not going to taste this mustard in the chicken. You will not taste it, trust me. Okay, just enough to cover all of the chicken. And I'm just going to mix it up with my hands. This is my food. I don't need any gloves. So don't say, oh, she should have. No. I don't need. I'm fixing this for my family. Just showing you how to do it. So I don't need any gloves. This isn't for you. This is for my family. Gloves are not needed here. I can always wash it off. I'm just adding a little bit of minced onion. If you don't have this, just cut up a little piece of onion and just sprinkle it over. We're building flavor here. Now it's time to season some flour. 2 cups of this should do the trick. And whatever seasonings you have or you used, just put a little bit in. You don't want to go overboard with it now. You have to season the flour. If not, the chicken isn't going to taste seasoned. Okay, paprika. Just a little bit you need. Mrs. Dash, she's back. This is a little girl. This is a small one. This is all the store had, so I needed some. Jazzing the flour up as well. Red pepper flakes. Okay, I forgot the garlic, so I'm just adding some garlic to the wings. Now, if you have garlic powder, you can use that, but I don't have any garlic powder today, so I'm just gonna add 1 garlic clove. Okay, just get us all cut up. Little pieces. Just add it to the wings. You know I need my garlic. Oh yes, love the flavor. So if you have the salt or the garlic powder, you can use that instead. Whatever you have, work it. The main thing is to add the mustard. This is mustard fried chicken. Make some for your family today. Okay, get that all in. Pass 1 knife through. Oil is ready. So I'm just coating the chicken in this flour mixture. The frying pan is for my fries. We're having fries, chicken and fries, and salad. We are still on lockdown, so I have to bring the restaurant home. You have to treat yourself sometimes, so we're having chicken and fries. How does that sound? All right. Chicken and fries, salad, made with lots of love. I am bringing the restaurant home to my family, still bringing it home. So you're going to shake off the excess flour so that you wouldn't dirty the oil. Just shake it right off, knock it off. Excess flour off, just like that. Now you let them fry until they're golden brown. When they're ready, they will let you know because they're going to begin to float. Okay? And instead of resting them on a paper towel, you rest them on either a drain or something like this, a rack, so that they can maintain their crispiness. You want to hear that crunch when you bite them. You don't want all of the oil to ooze out. No, you want to hear crunch. How does that sound? All right, that's what I want to hear. Just let that oil, that fat drain off. This is the second batch. Shake the excess off. Okay. I can get one more usage out of this oil, so just shake it off. Now it's time for the fries. These are pre-cut fries. I didn't make these today, so that's a serving for hubby. There you have it. That's it. Right there. I made a little salad. Now you're gonna add your favorite salad dressing. Ours is ranch. I also like it over my chicken as well. But this is how my hubby likes it. Ketchup on the side and he just can go to work. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, share it out. God bless you. God bless you, and I will see you. I will see you in the next one.